today's hyper-competitive tech landscape, winning deals and inspiring customers demands more than presentations. It demands engagement. That's where Vision Forge comes in. Experts in designing and delivering interactive workshops, both in-person and virtual, tailored to help tech companies land deals, attract customers, and deepen product adoption. Our workshops help you generate high-quality leads, streamline your sales cycles, boost product adoption, and unlock upsell and cross-sell opportunities, all while lowering support costs. When participants engage hands-on, they dive deeper, learning your tech, feeling its impact, and building trust in real time. You bring the product, we bring the process, end-to-end workshop design and logistics, crafted for scalability, whether for core sales teams, partners, or global audiences. Our flexible model adapts from pilot labs that generate early pipeline to large-scale workshops that ramp up sales, train new employees, empower partners, and collect user feedback. Imagine engaging hundreds of prospects in interactive sessions, empowering current customers, elevating partner capabilities, and fueling continuous product innovation. Whether your goal is to close more deals, onboard customers faster, or deepen engagements, Vision Forge builds workshops that drive results. Contact us today and let's work together.